Finding the derivative of a linear function at a value, I have f of x is equal to 4x minus 3, and I want to find f prime of 2. The derivative is the slope at this value 2. So actually has a little bit of a cheat here. 4x minus 3, this line has a slope of 4, so I think my answer as a guess should be 4 for the derivative at 2. The slope of the line is 4. The derivative gives me the slope. Let's see if this formal definition matches up with our intuition. So I'm trying to find f prime of 2. And this is looking at the limit as h goes to 0. I always have h on the bottom. This entire thing here is sort of like a difference quotient. And I'm looking at f of my a is 2. I'm finding the derivative of 2 plus h minus f of 2. To find f of 2 plus h, I go back to my starting function, f of x minus 3, and I plug 2 plus h in for the input. So that's going to look like 4 parentheses 2 plus h minus 3. I'm going to do the same thing now for 2. I'm going to plug 2 inside of that function. I'm subtracting this entire quantity. That's why I'm putting it in parentheses. 4 times 2, 2 instead of x, I'm plugging in 2, minus 3. Let's multiply things out and combine some like terms here. If I distribute that first 4, that's going to give me 4 times 2, that's 8. 4 times h, that's 4h. And I have this minus 3. 4 times 2 is 8. And then I have 8 minus 3. Combining things a little bit more here, 8 and the minus 3, those will give me 5 if I do 8 minus 3. And this 8 minus 3 that I have in parentheses is another 5 minus 5. I have a plus 5 minus 5. Those are going to cancel each other out. And that leaves me with the limit as h goes to 0 of 4h over h. My h's cancel, and I'm left with the limit as h goes to 0 of 4, which is just the number 4, since it doesn't have an h anymore. So the derivative at 2 for this function f of x minus 2, it is just a slope. It's that value 4. So by plugging in 2 plus h and 2 into this original equation, simplifying, dividing everything by h, and finding the limit will give me the derivative at a point. Let's check out some more of these together.